Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. I haven't been here for a little while, guys. I've been under the weather. We got an exciting recipe for you tonight. A high tuna nachos. Alright, so we're gonna jump right into this. We got Gunchy on the camera with us.
Yes, sir.
We got our tuna steaks. We're gonna throw a little pepper on. Alright. A little pink Himalayan salt. Some sesame seeds. We'll press them in there. Alright. A little more pepper. You guys are gonna like these. These are good stuff, man. Alright. Just coating the edges real light. Try not to break it apart like you just did. But like on Gunchy's is a little one. We're gonna throw a little special seasoning on it. It's Kinder's taco blend with lime and ancho chilies. We're just gonna dab a little bit on there for him. Alright? He thought, he would try it. So we're gonna oblige you. Sorry I haven't did a video in a while, guys. Alright, and then we're gonna throw these in the skillet and some sesame oil. Alright. Away from you. Away from you. Alright. We're gonna let them fry up for about 2 minutes aside.
To a side?
About 2 minutes aside. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to undercook it. Washing off the plate, guys. All right. And over here we got our wasabi. Got some sour cream. Some wasabi sauce. Gonna use about a half a teaspoon of wasabi. Alright. We're gonna blend this together. It's gonna go on top of our nachos. Alright. Now let's see if we're gonna need more wasabi. I think we're good right there.
It's whitening on the bottom.
You ain't supposed to.
Oh! The tack made me.
Yeah?
Yeah, that hurt.
Sizzle, sizzle. Been about 2 minutes there, Gunch?
Yep, that's this one.
Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful color, guys. Oops, sesame oil, did they ask her there?
Good thing I'm standing back here.
You want your tuna about a medium rare, guys. You don't want to overcook it. It gets tough and chewy. Alright. think, huh?
Looking pretty good so far.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, we're thinking about starting a food truck. And by the way, for you guys that haven't been here yet, I'd like to welcome you to the Reapers crew. Welcome you to the family. Trying to build a community here, guys. We have fun. We all get along. We're one big happy family. But we are going to try to get a food truck. We can bring our kitchen to you. But more to follow on that, we're going to try to start a GoFundMe page. See if we can't get our food truck. All right? Oh, yeah. And we got about a minute left. Now I'm going to throw my garlic in there, guys. I don't want the garlic to burn.
Oh, what? Just shot me all the way from over here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, nice color on there. Alright. We're going to bring this over here because this is going to continue to rise in temperature. Okay? So we're going to let that sit, come up to temp.
You're just attacking me today, aren't you?
Now I'm going to put a little more sesame oil in the pan. Whoops. Break my reaper. That'd be all bad.
Yeah.
Alright. And what we're going to do, fry up our wontons. Let's see if it's hot enough. Nope, not yet. Yeah, it should be. Oh, yeah. It'll be alright. Don't take these long to cook. These are your nachos. But I wanted to have all the flavor from the tuna as well. But yeah, guys, I feeling a little better, and I was like, you know what? Let me do a video for my family. So let these wontons fry up, guys, and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Look at those babies. Them are beauty.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna do gunchers. Nice medium rare on these guys. That's what you want. Tuna, not tuna steak nodules. Hi, tuna steak nodules. You guys gotta try it. I know you're gonna like it. What do you think, guys? There you go, buddy.
Looks good.
Alright. Then we're gonna top it off. Mine we're gonna top off with some red onion. Corey, or Gunchi, he won't want any red onion.
Nope.
He's gonna kick my butt for that one later. Dad, you use my real name on the camera.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, now you want some of this wasabi?
No.
You're gonna get some of this chili.
No.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's sweet Thai chili, guys. It's great stuff. This is our wasabi sour cream mixture. I won't put any of that on Gunchi's. Alright? Even though he would probably like it. We're going to top it off with some cilantro. Even on the Gunchers. I don't like the way it smells. It's good stuff. Alright. But there you have it, guys. Hi, tuna steak nachos. And they are amazing. I'd like to thank you for being with us again here on Cooking with the Reaper. Your heavy metal chef. And God bless. We're going to dive into these. And we'll see you next time.